Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your kitchen scrap into a nutrient-rich compost for your garden. And it is very easy. If you have peelings of vegetables and fruits, instead of throwing into garbage, you can make a compost out of it. These are the things that will go into your compost: fruits and vegetables, peels, leftover vegetables, uncooked, and grass clippings, dried preferably. You can put green as well. Then egg cartons, you can shred them in little pieces, and shredded paper. So these are the things that would go into your compost. These are the things that cannot go into your compost: any citrus fruit like oranges, lemon, grapefruit, any meat product, dairy products, pet waste, and any diseased clippings of your garden which has a pest on it should not go into your compost. For making compost, you do not have to have a fancy compost bin. You can use any heavy duty plastic bin like that, but there should be holes underneath so that if there is rainwater goes in, it goes out. The rainwater should not stay inside the compost bin. I forgot to mention one thing. You also cannot add onion peels or garlic peels in your compost. They are acidic. I hope you enjoyed the process of making compost. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you with one more video next time. Bye.